Hello and welcome to the other side of Thasos. There is more to Thasos than sand and sea, or Mediterranean pine forests that smell like ancient Greek mythology. Olive oil is a key industry that dates back to ancient times, and nested in the hills, the village of Panagia is the home of the Sotirelis family. They began the commercial production of olive oil in 1915. At that time, they used a watermill to power the grinding machines. Inside there is a selection of machines used from the 70s onwards for the production of olive oil. As you enter, the first thing that hits you is the delicious aroma of crushed olives. The olives are thrown into the stone mills. The stone wheels roll over a slab of granite to grind the olives into a paste. The olive paste is then transferred in the melaxers and is slowly mixed. Then the paste is moved on olive mats or fiber discs. The mats are stacked on top of each other, forming a pile. This pile contains 600 kilograms of olive paste. These are then placed inside hydraulic presses. The discs act like filters. The hydraulic pistons press down. The solids that contain the core, skin and flesh remain between the mats, and in this phase they are called pomace. The olive liquids are collected and put in centrifugal separators. The end product is pure olive oil. After a dip into the museum shop, we went for a walkabout the back roads of Panagia.
Yeah, some kind of river. Oh, but there is a bridge across it by the look of things.
Although Panagia is lovely and has plenty of tavernas, bars, etc., we decided to go exploring a bit more. accidental turn off the main road, we ended up here, in Butterfly Bay. And in this quiet taverna, we spent a couple of hours sipping on cold drinks and nibbling some lovely food, while enjoying the view, of course. In the evening, back in Potamia, I ventured into the small local museum facing the harbour. The loom was the basic tool of the household economy. Owning a loom made the house independent and self-sustained. According to legend, the goddess Athena herself taught the Greeks how to carve, spin, and weave. In Greece, the art of weaving goes alongside with singing. For example, in Greek mythology, the nymph Calypso is described weaving while singing. Weaving never stopped from ancient times, and it kept growing even during the years of Ottoman rule. Potamia is also the birthplace of the Greek-American sculptor Polygnotos Vagis. This is just a small sample of his work. Art and crafts are part of the genetic makeup of the people of Thasos. An example of this love for giving physical form to one's imagination is the work of this local artist. Antonios Vrontos spent all of his life on the island of Thasos, where he was born, carving these sculptures. Thank you so much for watching. Please like and subscribe, that helps me a lot. I publish this type of videos in English on Tuesdays, Italian on Wednesdays, and Bulgarian on Thursdays. At the beginning of the month, I also publish a video looking at Russia using Python coding language, and those are in English only. Once again, thank you for watching. Have a lovely day. Bye bye.